ST6A, we had to do a Venn diagram, which did a comparison and a contrast of the characteristics of meaningful learning. ISTE's National Educational Technology Standards, as well as elements of the 21st century skills and framework. When I look at all three, there was a small contrast in the three, but they basically talked about providing a framework and structure for successful technology integration. Of course, the ISTE standards were more of the traditional course of studying common standards than the 21st century skills framework table, but all did a great job spelling out the elements. One, active, which is a natural process; constructive, which revealed reflection; intentional, to fulfill a goal; authentic, principles and theories; cooperative, problem solving. But they all said the same thing, just use different words. Of course, with active, the comparison would be brainstorming, new ideas; constructive and reflection, communicate ideas, common elements; intentional, also apply technology effectively; authentic, principles and theories; failure as an opportunity, but you can continue to successfully try over and over again; cooperative, problem solving. And they connected because they all talked about creativity, collaboration, engagement, goals, and reflection. There really wasn't one that you could say was more important over the other because they all had more commonalities than differences.